Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I tell you guys this every single week that I print my coupons on swagbucks.com. It takes you directly to the coupons.com site, but you guys can get points for every coupon that you print, and then you guys get points for every coupon that you use. So I do have a referral link below that if you guys click it, you guys get extra points for joining. But what I do is I save all my points and I get stuff for Christmas, or I can get Bath and Body Works coupons, so I don't pay any of my money, use my own money at Bath and Body Works when they have their semi-annual sale. So just want to give you guys a heads up. But there is finally a ton of new coupons to print, you guys. If you guys haven't, definitely go to the CVS and Walgreens app and definitely click a ton of other coupons, you guys. It's awesome. There's so many great coupons for digital coupons. So I'm just going to walk through with you guys some new coupons that are available. Now some of these are available all the time. I'm going to print off this Hostess coupon just because there might be some deals with that, especially with the Twinkie one. I guess I want to do a taste test video with that. But I'm just going to go down. They have Frank's Red Hot, 75 cents with that. Sonicare, they do have $1.50 off Sensodyne Relief. Purina, $2 off of 4. Then they got dry dog food, $1 off 2 for Kellogg's. I'm not printing a lot of this stuff off just because I have to see what is available. But here is a $4 off Purina dog food. I'm going to print that off. I'm not sure if it's still available with Ibotta, but I'm still going to print these off anyways. I know these were 60 cents here, so $1.50 off of 4 is still a pretty good deal. They got 75 cents off of Pirate's Booty. We have $1 off of 3 Purina Dog Chow, $1 off Finish, $1.50 off Parodontics, $2.50 off Lotrimin, $2 off of Tylenol, $2 off of Tylenol. Here is $2 off of Stay Free, $2.50 off of a nut butter. I'm going to print that off just in case there's something that pops up on Ibotta. Here we got $1 off Playtex tampons. Maybelline New York, $1 off coupon. I'm going to print that off because there might be a deal I'm going to use with that. Garnier Skin Active, $2 off. L'Oreal Paris. So those are good coupons. Here is another $3 off Skin Active, $2 off Adult Motrin, $1 off Whole Blends, $1 off Maybelline New York, $2 off Aleve, $2 off CoverGirl, $5 off of 2 Clairol hair dye. I no longer buy hair dye unless it's absolutely free, but you know, I haven't bought hair dye in weeks. $4 off of the one a day. Now we got some $2 off L'Oreal, another $2 off L'Oreal Paris, Aleve, Motrin. You guys, there's so many coupons out there, and I'm not printing every single one. I'm gonna print off these RX bars just in case there's a $2 off and a $1 off. Nature's Truth, CoverGirl, Allegra, Zicam, and then the ones that I printed off the other day were these 2 L'Oreal Paris, and then the Perel is still available, so I'm going to print those off also. But other than that, that is all the coupons to print, you guys. I'm printing 11 coupons, and then I'll go back and reprint them again, because each coupon you guys can print twice. Some of them do have a limit of 1, but most of them you guys can print twice. And then what happens is after this, then I go to a different browser and I go to My Points and I print the same coupon off again, so I get points off of that. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.